Hi, my name is Mike Dawson, and I had a total knee replacement. I'm actually a home mortgage consultant with Wells Fargo, and part of my job is getting out and making contact. And it was very difficult for me to do that prior to having this procedure done because just the sheer walking aspect of it was painful. Now that I've had the surgery done, it's really going to help me manage my time better and to develop more contacts to help me grow my business in the future. I've known for the past 5 years that I was going to have this surgery done. I just kind of kept putting it off until it was just totally affecting my quality of life, the ability to go on vacation with my wife, and just the mere fact that I couldn't walk more than a quarter of a mile without experiencing just significant pain, to be honest with you. So for me to enjoy, my later years as I'm getting close to retirement, it was time for me to have this surgery done. I would say my surgery went much better than anticipated. The pain associated with it afterwards was not near as much as I had expected. And, I was able to start moving my knee the day of the surgery. They got me up and moving around, and I don't think the surgery could have gone any better, to be honest with you. My recovery has been exceptional based on what the physical therapist has been telling me. I got home on a Thursday, and Friday the physical therapist was there. And we started 2 sets of 10 different exercises. And then we got up and started walking in my driveway. And the first day I took 700 steps and then just worked on increasing that afterwards. And by the second week, I was walking 1 mile to 2 miles a day. I put in the time and effort on the recovery, and I made it a priority of mine to really be aggressive in treating the knee and getting it back to normal. Well, what's ahead for me now is in a couple of days, Dr. Sehgal's going to do a total knee replacement on my left knee. I will have to say I have so much less stress associated with the procedure on my left knee than I did on my right, simply because the right knee went so well. I am actually looking forward to the procedure, and I can't wait for it to be 3 or 4 months down the road so I can enjoy going to the OU football games and going on vacation with my family and friends again, and being able to participate in all the activities and hiking. I can't tell you how excited I am about getting my left knee done and finishing the process. I would highly recommend Dr. Sehgal. In fact, I've already recommended him to 3 different people that I know that are getting ready to have this procedure, one of which should be contacting him hopefully within the next week to set up a consultation. Just the whole way he explained the process, the way that he does a 3D image of your leg and does a custom insert for your knee, I just can't say enough positives and about Dr. Sehgal, and I would highly recommend him to anybody. The only thing I would have done differently, to be quite honest, is I would have had the procedure done earlier, knowing what I know now. I've been in pain, severe pain, for at least 2 years, and I would have done this 2 years earlier if I would have known that the procedure would go as easy and without glitches as it has with Dr. Sehgal. For people who are considering having their knee replaced, like I am, I put it off probably 2 to 3 years longer than I should have because I had this anticipation that the pain was going to be a heck of a lot more severe than it actually is. And I can't tell you how happy and thrilled I was that the pain was not near as bad as I was anticipated. And quite frankly, I wish I would have done this 2 or 3 years earlier, because the pain associated with rehabilitating, even though it's pain, it's not anything that you can't handle if you were experiencing the pain I was experiencing prior to the surgery.